Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope everyone's doing well. We are in Albufeira, I'm just outside St Anna's Church, and we're going to have a look around Old Town and see, is Albufeira worth a visit? Let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So we're just heading down to the main bit now. This is Old Town. Nice clear day, really nice clear day. Got a nice little church bell there, you guys can see. So yeah, don't forget to comment below if you have been to Albufeira, or if it's somewhere you've been thinking of going. Love to hear your guys' opinions. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Sabrina. I'm with my partner Kirk, and together we are Wagwan Tours. So we got the blue bar, or the blue bell bar, I should say. Yeah, it's probably because of the bell.
Eddie's on the right, I said.
Yeah, and then we've got Eddie's on the right. You alright guys, you enjoying yourselves? Yeah? Right, let's keep heading down. Got a little supermarket spa there. And then obviously straight ahead you've got the ocean. So if anyone has been to Albufeira, you know there is an old town and a new town. Both just as good in my opinion, depending on what you want. And they're about a 10-minute drive from each other, probably closer depending on the day. Right, so we've got a couple of restaurants coming up. Don't forget, is Albufeira worth coming to? This is what we aim to get. So watch the series, there will be more videos to make our conclusion. Help you guys figure out where you want to go and what you want to see. So you've got the little train down there as well. Not train, it's a little guided bus, I guess. And that will take you all over, take you down to like the port as well. So yeah, we've got some nice little restaurants there. We're heading down. And then we've got the tunes as well. Let's cross over. So yeah, it is a little bit hilly in this part, so do bear that in mind as well. Depending on where you're staying, you can be quite high up, so the walk down's obviously good, but then on the flip, you're gonna have to walk up. Let's see what's down there. Got a nice restaurant down there. Down this one. And then you've got your sort of tourist, your excursions, all your little shops with your outfits. What's this one? Looks really nice. Casa de Ponte, restaurant and bar. Nice fresh fish there. Let's have a little nosy. Hola. Some really nice restaurants. Pizza €8.50, pasta €9.50. Let me know if you think that's extortionate or very affordable. Is Albufeira worth visiting? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. If you're already watching, a lot of the people who do watch our content are not subscribed, so make sure you do hit that. It really does help push the content. Right, so we're coming into the main part now. So again, we've got a lot more like restaurants, a lot more bars. So to the right of me, we've got the beach. To the left, we've got the shops. We're going to do the shops first. So you'll have to watch the next one to see the beach. Got alley hop there again. If you've been anywhere in sort of Spain, Portugal, they are everywhere. Bikinis. Let's go down here. So again, just to sort of remind you guys, it is a lot of sort of up and down. If that's going to help your decision in any way, or whether or not you choose coming to Albufeira. Ooh, look at that. Famous. If you come to Albufeira or anywhere in Portugal, make sure you do try one of those. They are very delicious. Here's the tart. The Albufeira tart. Right, we're coming to the main square now. So if you have watched our channel before, we've got loads of content for Albufeira. This is the most current one, just to see if it's worth, is it worth coming to Albufeira? Should you put it on your list? So yeah, this is the main square. Got your bars, lots to choose from. So happy hour every day, €3 for a beer in there. Hello, so that's the Tic Tac bar. We've got Sir Harry's there. We did do a video on what's the cheapest pint, and at the time, Sir Harry's was one of them. We were told about a few others, so we will do an updated version. So again, do look out for that on the channel. We will update all of these so everyone knows exactly what you can expect when you come to Albufeira. Then we got Vertigo, bar and kitchen. Coming up to the one with the big ball. Central Station. This is always quite a popular one, usually quite busy. Yeah, there we go. Happy hour times. Yeah, this is why we're here, to see is this still worth a visit. And then you've got the Buddy's Steakhouse. So glass of wine, €3, large beer, €3.50, small beer, €2.50.
Cheaper, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's Buddy's. Anyone's wondering what that one is? Show you guys the square. Right, let me just finish by going just round to this outside bit. So this one's closed. And then right in the corner, you've got Pampas Steakhouse. Cocktails, 7.5s are €7.50, sangria, €11. That's usually for like a litre, isn't it? So, is Albufeira worth a visit? Let me know in the comments below. Have you been here? What do you want to see? Don't forget to check out the rest of the series. We'll be doing loads of content so you can make your minds up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.